Interactive maps are powerful tools to visualize, analyze, and share data in a clear and engaging way. With story.mapog.com, you can create maps for projects, campuses, travel, retail networks, and supply chains. Let's look at 5 inspiring examples. Turn real estate listings into interactive maps showing project locations, status, and connectivity. Centralized data and task management make tracking progress and collaboration easy. Hospitals can create smart campus maps displaying departments, labs, wards, and emergency units. Geo-referenced maps improve navigation, staff coordination, and patient experience. For travel, build safari itinerary maps connecting destinations and routes. Integrate photos, notes, and schedules into one visual map for simple, organized, and shareable planning. Businesses can map warehouses, distribution centers, and retail outlets. Interactive logistics maps help optimize routes, track inventory, monitor operations in real time, and reduce bottlenecks. Plan electric aerial vehicle routes using varying angles and distance. Visualizing flight paths ensures precision, safety, and energy-efficient navigation while tracking tasks for each route. With MAPOG, all of these maps are interactive, filterable, and customizable with icons, colors, and attributes. They help you make smarter decisions, communicate clearly, and manage projects, travel, or logistics efficiently. For any questions or assistance, email support@mapog.com. To learn the full step-by-step process for creating these maps, check out our detailed tutorials on our YouTube channel.